It's the end of the year and builders are having a new construction blowout sale. So if you're thinking about buying new construction in North Dallas, Texas, Frisco, Salina, Prosper, Little Elm, and the surrounding areas, you've got to check out this video because I have the tips and the tricks of how you can get a massive reduction in price on new construction. Hi everyone, it's Troy Sage, your local realtor where I'm dedicated to doing real estate differently. And in this video, I want to talk about what the builders are doing, their massive blowout sales by the end of the year, and I want to show you how you can get a great deal on buying new construction right now in the market. Let's dive in. So if you've been watching the market and you've been waiting for an opportunity to buy new construction at a discount, this might be the time for you. If you've been following the market, you'll know that prices have not really come down in the North Dallas, Texas area at all, and that is due to the massive influx of people moving to this area. So supply and demand is greatly in balance, so prices are staying strong. But what we're finding is that builders are giving massive incentives if you are ready to buy new construction right now. Now, there are a few caveats to this because not every area has homes available, but let me talk to you a little bit about what the builders are doing and the incentives they have right now, and then we'll get to where homes are currently available. I receive emails daily from builders with these massive deals going on right now. For example, let me show you a few of the emails that I'm getting so that you know what the builders are actually offering. Here's an email that I received today. This is a D.R. Horton home in Salina, Texas. It's north facing with a 60-foot lot, which is a big lot for this area, 2,100 square feet. They're offering special finances as low as 4%. With a January close, normally $524,900, but if you buy now, you can get it for $504,000. They've taken $20,000 off the price of this home and are offering lower financing. In addition to the lower price, the builder is also paying $10,000 in the buyer's closing costs. The lower rate is very common with builders, but it's also common in resale. For more information on the lower rate program, click here to watch this video. Let's continue on. I want to show you some other deals that are happening in North Dallas, Texas. Here is another new construction community in Salina, Texas, the Lagoon community built by Megatel Homes. These are absolutely beautiful homes with extremely open and beautifully designed floor plans. This builder is offering a fixed mortgage rate at 5.25%. And I can tell you from visiting this site and talking with the builder, there are massive discounts for end of the year blowout sale. If you want pricing and information on this particular builder and what's going on in this community, leave a comment below or reach out to me direct. Let's check out a couple of more of the Black Friday or the end of the year blowout sales. If you're interested in a cute starter home, this builder has dropped the price almost $75,000. And Sandlin Homes is following suit with the lower interest rates on the 3-2-1 buy down as low as 4.5%. Here's Landon Homes in Frisco, and they're also dropping the price a little bit and offering the same incentives in regards to interest rates. Now stay with me because I'm going to tell you how to get these incentives and the process you need to go through to make sure you get every incentive. In the meantime, if you'd like to take a look at all the new construction that's currently available in North Dallas, Texas, check the link in the description. It'll take you right to a custom search page with real-time updates on what builders have currently available and what their plans are. Now let's get down to how you get these incentives. Now, is there a catch? Of course there's a catch. Builders want to get rid of what they call standing inventory, pre-existing homes that they want to get off their books by the end of the year. This is why we're seeing these lower prices. As a matter of fact, one of the builders told me as of January, when they start a new phase, prices are going up almost $100,000. This is according to the builder's salesperson themselves. True or not, I don't know. We only know when it hits January. If you want any more information on this in regards to new construction or resale homes, feel free to leave a comment or reach out to me direct. My contact information is in the description below. Additionally, on one more note, if you're going to buy new construction, it's so important for you to work with a professional realtor. The reason being is trifold or fourfold. Number one, you are not being represented by the salesperson in the builder's office, which means that salesperson works for the builder. It's a great idea for you to have someone that's representing you, helping you understand the process. Number two, you want to work with a realtor that is going to go out to the property during every phase of the property and make sure everything is being done in the right manner. So if you're buying standing inventory, you want to make sure someone is there to check the house with you to find any defects if there are any. Number three, you want to make sure that you know every incentive that the builder is offering. Believe it or not, the salespeople don't always give you every incentive that they're sending us, the realtors in the area. You want to make sure that you have someone reading through the contract so you know exactly what you're buying and what the process is. It saddens me when someone buys new construction and there's a glitch and they didn't use a realtor and they can't figure out how to get out of that glitch. So use a realtor. And lastly, the builders are not adjusting the price if you don't use a realtor. Prices are where they're at. If they start lowering the price because you're not using a realtor, that affects their future yield or their future sales numbers. So they don't bring prices down if you're not using a realtor. Any questions on that, leave a comment or reach out to me direct. Hey, if you found this information in the video helpful, feel free to pass it along. Click subscribe and the bell so you're alerted every time I upload another video. Until next time, my friends, make it a great day.